I'm so excited because I'll be sharing with you two nice products here. So I've got the CeraVe Cream Reparatrice Contour Eye, and then I've got the GOLD+MARINE Collagen Plus. So I'll be sharing these two products with you. Yeah, guys, as I told you on my intro, hello everyone, it's Mommy here from Marvelous Beauty World. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you these two creams, the Balance Active Formula, so the Collagen Plus Marine Collagen. So this cream is really nice. If you have problem with fine line on your eye area, this cream is really nice. Use it like twice in a day, so use it in the morning and then you use it in the night. It's very helpful, brightening under your eye if you have dark circle. The good thing, it has two key ingredients here, which is Colloidal gold to give you just a nice natural glow, and the marine collagen to help you to smooth out under eye area. It's less than 10 pounds, but trust me, it does the job. It firm bags, you know, under your area, it does help. So that was the face cream that I share, the face eye cream that I share with you. So move on to the next one. So the next one is this CeraVe. So the CeraVe is here, so it's the eye cream as well. So this one, so it does help a lot bags under eye, and then they have like dark circle. So this one is kind of like a repairing cream. So this one, it helps you like with your collagen. The CeraVe is the repairing cream here, so it's there. So those one who have like dark circle bags under the eye area is as ceramide, which is just help you with the moisturizing. Both cream is nice, but this one, it helps you more than on the collagen side, like wrinkles and stuff. But this one helps you like to moist if you want to keep your under eye clean and moist, you know. So the CeraVe one will help you. So I hope this video was helpful. If you are new here, please subscribe, because we always share some nice content, good product which helps you to have like professional care at home. I hope this video was helpful. Let us know what you think. If you want to see more content on the eye product, or if you want me to share any other eye cream with you, let us know. So yeah, it was your friend here, Mommy from Marvelous Beauty. So she's a beautician. She always like looking after you. Tell us what you think about the video. If you ever try any eye product before, it's very important. If you are struggling, you are seeing that you are having problem with your under eye, it's better for you to include the eye cream in your skincare routine. It does help. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you. Let us know what you think. Drop us a comment. Subscribe. Share the video if you feel like it was interesting. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time sharing these two eye creams. So the collagen one, which helps with the elasticity of your eye, giving you a nice firming eye. And then this one, the CeraVe one, the hydrating one, the repair cream. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you. Let us know what you think about the video. If you ever try any eye cream before, let us know. If you never try, please try one of these, so you'll be amazed with the results. I tried it myself, it does work. So you know, when we age, we always start having problems. We lose the collagen, so our skin no more firm anymore. So it's better to be trying nice product, good product, which is gonna help us with the problem that we are going through. I hope this video was useful. So don't forget to like, share. And then if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what you want to see next. It was me. I love you so much. I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget, we upload the video every Tuesday and Saturday, 11 o'clock UK time. So if you want to see more content, just click the button there. Subscribe is free. You know, subscribing is free. You subscribe and then you see more of our video. We love you. Much love. We see you on our next one. We thank you again one more time for your support, for your love, you know, for sharing our video, for being with us. You know, it's not an easy journey, but you are just there, you know, seeing how this journey is going. So we love you so much. God bless you. We see you on our next one. Thank you. Bye, Mommy. Love you. Kiss kiss.